Hello everyone, welcome to Crack You video series. In this video, we are going to discuss important GK questions on economics and social issues. This video is part of our GK video series for the MBA entrance exams, that is ZET, TISNET and CMAT. You can check out the crash courses, mocks and previous year papers on these exams on our website, that is crackyou.in. The links are given in description. Please check them out there. Let's start with today's session. If another global financial crisis happen in the near future, which of the following action policies are most likely to give some immunity to India? The correct answer is A, that is not depending on short-term foreign borrowings. If economic and political consideration leave it difficult to resist coming to the aid of a distressed nation or region, so India should not depend on short-term foreign borrowings. It will surely provide immunity to India. Which one of the following statements best describes the term social cost of carbon? It is measured in monetary value of the correct answer is A, that is long-term damage done by a ton of CO2 emission in a given year. The social cost of carbon is an estimate in monetary value, and it is the economic damages that would result from emitting one additional ton of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. Which of the following has conducted a study on the economic impact of interlinking of rivers program? The correct answer is B, that is NCAER. Full form of NCAER is National Council of Applied Economic Research. It conducted a study on the economic impact of interlinking of rivers program. The report was submitted by NCAER in April 2008, and the conclusion given by NCAER is in report mention various benefits of interlinking of river program, such as additional benefits of irrigation and power, increase of growth rate of agriculture, growth of direct and indirect employment, improvement in the quality of life of people in rural areas, and mitigation of floods and droughts. Which of the following is a bond in which the coupon payments are adjusted to inflation by association? The payments to inflation indicators like consumer price index or retail price index, that is RPI, and consumer price index is CPI. The correct answer is D, that is index linked bond. So index linked bonds are linked to a country inflation index. For example, the UK issues index linked bond called linkers that are linked to the retail price index, that is RPI. Canada issues real written bonds, that is RRBs, that are linked to the consumer price index, that is CPI. So these two are the example of index linked bond. Which among the following has launched a program called WINGS with an aim to empower women at the workplace? The correct answer is A, that is Aviva Life Insurance. This is a specially designed mentorship program to empower women workforce, and this is an initiative of the She division of Aviva Life Insurance for mentoring all the women employees in Aviva. In which account are the exports and import in goods recorded? The correct answer is A, that is current account. It represents the country's import or export of goods as well as services, payment to foreign nationals, transfers and foreign aids. The balance of current account balance, irrespective of favorable and unfavorable, would be offset and equalized by the capital account balance. Why are the indirect taxes termed as regressive taxing mechanism? The correct answer is A, that is indirect taxes are charged uniformly to all income groups. Indirect taxes make the distribution of income more unequal because of their regressive effects. The poor will get taxed a higher proportion of their income than the rich, making it a regressive tax. So higher indirect taxes can cause cost push inflation, which can lead to a rise in inflation expectations. Which of these is the biggest tax reform made in India since independence? The correct answer is A, that is goods and service tax. So goods and service tax is India's most ambitious indirect tax reform. Lack of political consensus is holding up progress and implementation of GST. This paper gives a vivid account of recent reforms in the Indian tax system as a part of an ongoing policy of liberalization and globalization of the Indian economy. Who has headed the committee formed to revise the base year for national accounts and GDP calculation? The correct answer is C, that is Ravindra Dholakia. Which committee has shortlisted 6 public and private educational institutes as institutes of eminence? The correct answer is A, that is N. Gopalaswamy Committee. Institute of Eminence IOE is a recognition scheme for higher education institute in India, which is set by the University Grant Commission in 2017. The plan encompasses 20 institutions, 12 of which have already got the declared Institute of Eminence. In British revenue records, dash is a revenue estate which may be a village or group of villages. The correct answer is D, that is Mahal. So Mahalwari system, one of the 3 main revenue system of land tenure British India, and the other 2 begins the Zamindar and the Ryotwari system. The word Mahalwari is derived from the Hindi Mahal, meaning a house, or by extension a district. Which NGO publishes annual status of education report? The correct answer is D, that is Pratham. When was the Soviet Union dissolved? The correct answer is A, that is December 1991. So the dissolution of the Soviet Union was the process of internal disintegration within the Soviet Union, which resulted in the end of the country and its federal governments, and it was happened on 26th December 1991. Foreign Contributions Regulations Act is administered and monitored by which of the following ministries? The correct answer is E, that is Ministry of Home Affairs. The central government has notified the Foreign Contribution Amendment Rules 2022, which is the world's single largest manufacturing industry in terms of revenue and employment. The correct answer is C, that is automobile. The FCRA, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010, license to an organization NGO receiving foreign contributions from abroad is valid for how many years? The correct answer is E, that is 5 years. So nowadays it is mandatory for all such NGOs to register themselves under the FCRA, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2021, that is Foreign Contribution Regulation Act 2010. The registration is initially valid for 5 years and it can be renewed subsequently if they compile with all norms. And registered association can receive foreign contribution for social, educational, religious, economic and cultural purposes. An employer goes on employing more and more of a factor units until the correct answer is D, that is the marginal revenue productivity of a factor becomes equal to its reward. What is difference of revenue expenditure and revenue receipts called as? The correct answer is revenue deficit. So the union budget in a nutshell is nothing but a statement of income and expenditure. Two important elements on both sides, income and expenditure, are revenue receipts and revenue expenditures. Which of the following is a comprehensive project released by Niti Aayog for introducing system-wide governance transformation in school education? The correct answer is D, that is SAT-E program. IIT Aayog has released comprehensive roadmaps and detailed timelines for the initiative SATI, that is Sustainable Action for Transforming Human Capital in Education. Which of the following is not one of the focus areas of HRI-DAY scheme, which is aimed at developing and preserving the heritage city in the country? The correct answer is D, that is scientific infrastructure. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. Thank you.